Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename Workspace in Slack. At first, simply just go ahead and open up the Slack software, or you can open up the browser version of Slack. And after that, just log into your account, and then just select the workspace in which you want to change your name. Or rather, you want to change the workspace name. You must be the admin of the workspace. So, I'm gonna select the first one from here. And after that, let the workspace load properly. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it 5 seconds. It will load the entire workspace for you. Now, to change the workspace name, what you have to do is from here, just click on the workspace name and then click on the workspace name over here once again. Then you'll find Edit Workspace Details. From here, under Workspace Name, you can change the name to anything. Let's say Party Workspace and click on Save. And there you go. The workspace name has been changed. It's very easy. And basically that is it. And that is how to change your workspace name in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.